Power efficient processors. Traditionally, a system's performance was measured in terms of its processing power. However, excessive power consumption by computing systems has now become a matter of concern for most organizations. Processor manufacturers have come out with a new processor architecture to reduce power consumption right at processor level. For example, the latest Intel Xeon processor offers a technology called demand based switching (DBS) for reduced power consumption. A traditional processor operates only at single frequency and voltage regardless of its workload. Therefore, it is always on and this consumes full power. Processors based on DBS technology are designed to run at multiple frequency and voltage settings. In conjunction with operating system OS and basic input output system BIOS that supports DBS, such processors automatically switch to and operate lowest settings that consistent with optimal application performance. So the OS monitors processor utilization multiple times per second and downshifts or upshifts to a lower higher frequency and voltage as appropriate. Therefore, power usage is automatically tailored to match dynamically changing system workload, which substantially reduces power wastage with minimum impact on peak performance capabilities of processor. So basically it is about power reduction or using processor in power efficient manner. So we need mobile processors also in today's life, so which should be power efficient, which are as they are battery operated. So power efficient processors are needed in today's world, so the manufacturers are manufacturing it.